Hi, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of Google Maps navigation, which is available on the Android platform, and I'm running this on the HTC Desire. So, let's unlock the phone, go to the navigation application. Okay, I've downloaded the voice pack into this, so what I can do, rather than having to type in my destination, I can speak to it. So, nearest petrol station. Auto fills it in. Press navigate. Should come up with a list now. There we go, so I can pick and choose which particular petrol station I want to go to. I shall head for... let me see... that's a decent run, Woodford. Okay, so there's my directions. So turn up the volume. I shall plug it into the car stereo so you'll hear that better. And the other thing I'll do as well, rather than have this view, we can have the satellite view. So I'll just place this in the holder and we'll get going. Okay. As we move off, we should see it change into more of a bird's eye view.
In 200 yards, turn left at A5102, Bramall Lane South.
As you see, you get the audio prompts as well as visual prompts. The software's still in beta stage, so there's one or two bugs that need to be ironed out, but it seems to be improving with each release.
Turn left at A5102, Bramall Lane South. In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A5102, Bramall Lane South.
As you get closer to each particular turning, the map automatically zooms in and out.
At the roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A5102, Bramall Lane South. Exit the roundabout onto A5102, Bramall Lane South. Continue on A5102 for 1 mile.
So it's a bit robotic at this stage, but I'm sure as they develop the application then it will be more natural. Of course, Google stream this data to your phone, so depending on your data plan, you're going to have to keep a careful eye on it, because if you go over your data allowance, then it's going to cost you quite a lot of money for this data.
quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto A5149, Woodford Road.
Now you can actually set this to have the Google Street Map view of the turning with the arrows overlaid, but I've found that the update on that isn't very quick.
At the roundabout, take the first exit onto A5149, Woodford Road. Exit the roundabout onto A5149, Woodford Road, then your destination will be on the left. Exit the roundabout onto A555, Manchester Airport Eastern Link Road. Continue on A555, for 1.5 miles. Quarter of a mile, take the A34 ramp to Alderley Edge, roll slow. Take the A34 ramp to Alderley Edge, roll slow, then at the roundabout, take the first exit onto A34, Handset bypass. At the roundabout, take the first exit onto A34, Handset bypass. Exit the roundabout onto A34, Handset bypass. Continue on A34 for 1/2 mile.